Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today, we're going to play Wall Hop Tower. So this is the hardest game that I can't even just wall hop. So anyways guys, if I watch my video so make sure to subscribe and also hit the notification. Also I can't even do it. I can't even wall hop like this. I should just wall hop like that, I guess, but I can't. Oh my god, I can't. What? What the heck? What did it? Oh! Wait, I did it! I did it guys, oh my god. I did it! Okay, so anyways, I need to wall hop highest. I can't even just do that because I can't. Oh my god! I can just wall hop if I want. Come on, wall hop. Um, wait, I should just do it. I should just do it whatever I want. So I can't even do it. I should just jump. Okay, let me just jump, I think. Let me jump. Come on. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't even do it, guys. I can't even do it. So I'm going to leave now. So this will have. Granted, this not easy. Nah, guys. I wanted to play that game. So anyways, we're gonna play that game next. I wanted to play this. Long. That may be long. The longest maze, I think. So let me know in the comments. So if I have a video, channel, subscribe right now. And also subscribe. Hit the notification. And also hit the notification bell. And also I have my subscriber of my bruh. Bruh, stop! I keep lagging. No. No. Come on guys, we're going to restart my tablet. I'm going to restart my tablet guys. Come on. Come on. What's wrong? It's still loading. Why is it loading my tablet? Go! Go, go, go! What's wrong? Stop. It's glitching me out. Stop lagging! I don't look at the phone. Don't you dare. Bro, how? Can I do like this? Oh, now, you saw fall in love. You try me? How dare ya? You try me? Whereas I'm going to troll her. Uy, no. I'm lag. Okay, let's troll it. Let's troll player. Let me troll player, huh? Let me troll player, huh? Okay. Okay, okay. Come on, guys. Let's troll player. Come on, let's troll player, huh? Let's go. Again, I need to win. Come on, guys. We're almost there. Come on. Bro, you're trying me. You're trying me. Kiss me. Kiss me. You trying me? Bro, I look so silly. Bro, I got lag. Stop lag. Nah, bro. Nah, this game's there. This game's for 1 hour. Bro, I'm always lagging. I keep lagging for no reason. Let's this one. What's that? A girl? A shaky girl. Okay, let's go. Let's go beat that game. I think as Abby. Go! I look so lagging. I look like a lagging. What's that? How many players? I got to stop lagging. I look. Oh my god. I look like turtle. I think. Come on. Oh my god. Come on. I need to beat her. Let me just beat her. Let me beat her, guys. Ouch. 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 Oh my god. Fighting hard. Oh my god. Wow. How many players? I have. How many wins? I have in the top. I'm in the top. Wait. There's so many players there. So let me know in the comments, okay? So anyways, I need to beat this game, the entire game. So anyways, this one is easy. So this wall hop is so hard. I can't even just ship block properly. Because they call me a fake guy. So do not call me, okay? Or else I will delete you again. Just so anyways, let me know in the comments, okay? So anyways, what is your favorite game of this game? Okay. Oh my god, oh my god. Mama! Let's rejoin my game, guys. Come on, guys. We're almost there. What? Bro, this Roblox. Oh my god, I hate this. No, 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 no. How can I do it? How can I do it in real life? Come on. Come on. Said, we're almost there. What's that? Girl dead. Girl, this girl. Okay, let's go. Shape like a turtle, I guess. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh wait, she fell. Yes, again. Yes, she fell. How can I do it? On real life, no, I'm going to leave, guys. Just gonna get this one, guys. This one is the easy. I'm going to be easy, guys. This one is Serenity Tower. Serenity Tower, guys. Okay, I have a bunch of words, so that's good. And also, I like this. I like this game. And also, I'm going to beat her so much, I guess. I'm going to beat her. Let me beat her so much. So, otherwise, I need to just win this game. I need to win this. Stop lagging, I look like a... Bruh. Stop lagging. Okay, let's win this game. I said! Oh my god, I look like a lagging. Bro, please. Don't call me bad, I'm a good. Bro, my mom hates me, I guess. So, let me know in the comments. They always hated me again. So, anyways, this one's easy. Then I'm going to beat it so much. And I want to beat it so much, I guess. Bro, how? You're cheating. I'm going to troll her. Ooh. What? What the thing na? What? What the heck happened? What the heck happened, guys? Okay. No! Okay, come on. Come on, we're almost win, guys. We're almost win. Can I? Oh, God. Yes. How? I can do it. I can do it in real life. Don't you dare ever dare to ruin that. How can I do it? I can't even do it. Ouch. Ouch. I think it's hard to. How can I? Oh, wait. I can just beat whatever I want. Oh, wait. I can just jump if I want. Oh, jump. Jump. Come on, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, guys, go. Go. Stop lagging. Look at that. Stop lagging. I can't even do it. 0 out of 10. Next game is this. Japanese. Next game is Japanese, I think, guys. I think I wanna beat that game. This game sucks. Go. Go, 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 go. Okay, wait. I can just hit block, guys. Stop lagging. Why always... I said! Bruh. I keep stalking. Stop stalking. Ano ka? Ano? Bruh, I keep on stalking like this. I keep stalking. Stop stalking. Okay? Stop stalking. Rest. I'll just... Come on. You always hated me. No one... Bro, everyone hates me because I am going to just troll it again. So this baby is just trying my best to behave at school. Next is simple. This stupid kid. Next is simple tower, I think. Okay, so let me know in comments. Remove this. Nah, that's silly. That silly old face. Nah, this ugly. This boy is ugly. He's ugly. I don't like it. I don't like him so much. Nah, remove this face. Report it. I don't like it so much. This painting sucks. Nah, this dislike. Nah, I don't like this. How can I do it? Can I just choose whatever I want? Bro! Come on, go, 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 go. Come on. Come on, I need to beat that game. Do not fall. Okay, every people, guys, I think is in this thing. So I keep on speaking Japanese again, guys. So otherwise, we're going to beat this game because I'm so slow. Bro, they always fling me up. Oh, wait.